How to get rid of cavities. 6 home remedies. The acids in plaque remove minerals from, demineralize, your enamel, a coating of the teeth made mostly of calcium and phosphate. Once the acid damage spreads into the dentin layer underneath the enamel, a cavity forms. Dental cavities, or caries, are tiny holes in the hard surface of the teeth. They are caused by bacteria on the surface of teeth creating acid out of sugar. Many home treatments are based off of a study from the 1930s that suggested that cavities are caused by lack of vitamin D in the diet. In this study, kids who added vitamin D to their diets showed a reduction in cavities. Not getting enough vitamin D may make teeth more susceptible to cavities, but we now understand that this is only a part of the puzzle. Eating foods that cling to teeth, like candy and sticky foods. Chewing sugar-free gum after meals has been shown in clinical trials to help remineralize enamel. Gum containing xylitol has been researched extensively for its ability to stimulate saliva flow, raise the pH of plaque, and reduce S. mutans, but long-term studies are needed. Sugar-free gum containing a compound called casein phosphopeptide amorphous calcium phosphate, CPPACP, has been shown to reduce S. Vitamin D is important to help absorb calcium and phosphate from the food you eat. Studies show an inverse relationship between eating foods high in vitamin D and calcium, like yogurt, and cavities in young children. Shop online for vitamin D supplements. Fluoride plays an important role in preventing cavities and remineralizing enamel. Extensive research has been done to show that regularly brushing your teeth with a fluoride toothpaste prevents cavities. This is the cavity remedy that no one likes to hear: stop eating so much sugar. The World Health Organization says that eating sugar is the most important risk factor for cavities. If you're going to eat sugar, try not to snack on sugary foods throughout the day. Once the sugar is gone, your enamel has a chance to remineralize. But if you are constantly eating sugar, your teeth don't get the chance to remineralize. Oil pulling is an ancient practice that involves swishing around an oil, like sesame or coconut, in your mouth for about 20 minutes, then spitting it out. But a small, triple-blind, placebo-controlled clinical trial showed that oil pulling with sesame oil reduces plaque, gingivitis, and the number of bacteria in the mouth just as effectively as chlorhexidine mouthwash. Extracts from the Chinese licorice plant, Glycyrrhiza urulensis, can combat the bacteria responsible for dental cavities, according to at least one study. Pilot studies using licorice extract in a lollipop showed they were effective in significantly reducing S. mutans in the mouth and preventing cavities.